How are you today? Welcome to the most wonderful, most exciting, and most amazing way to learn science. Is it the light that we see and give colors around? Well, it is for you to find out. Today, we will completely understand the another property and characteristic of light. So, future scientists, prepare your module, pen and paper as we explore, investigate, and discover new things in science. Future scientists, this is Teacher Grace. Come and join me in an awesome science adventure. Hello, Roby. How do you do? Yes, Roby. We can see in the dark. Oh, wait. I have here a flashlight. That is because, in order to see, the eyes must receive the light. And the darkness is the absence of light. Watch this, Robbie.
Most of the objects we see around us are visible by reflected light, reflected sunlight, or reflected artificial light. You are able to see these objects because light reflects, and this reflected light is what becomes a mirror image in our eyes. Since darkness is the absence of light, there is no light in the darkness to be reflected from chairs, tables, or people to our eyes, and therefore we cannot see these objects. But we are able to see in the dark after some time. Why is that then? You have probably noticed that it is difficult to see objects inside a house when you have just come in from the bright sunlight. After you have been in the house a little while, your eyes adapt themselves to the dimmer light and you can see perfectly well. Oh, thank God! We have torches when it gets dark.
I will show you more. I have here a mirror. I'll put the object here. What would you think would happen if I will hit the light of this flashlight in this mirror? Oh, great! Yes, hello?
Hello, teacher. We are here at the Cruz pool. I am with my classmate Maki.
Teacher, we discovered one thing here. As we drop this stick on the water, it looks bending or broken.
Okay, get ready. I'll send you to an amazing adventure.
Let's use this stick to check the depth of the pool. Can you see that its length is bigger than you?
Let's put it in the pool.
Okay. See? Half of the stick is outside. So you can go inside. It's not very deep.
But look, Ginny, the stick looks bent.
Yes, that is not bent. This looks bent due to refraction of light.
Refraction? Oh, you told me about reflection, but you never said anything about refraction. What is refraction?
You know, when light travels from one medium to another, it bends.
Like when it moves from air to water, one medium to another?
Yes, air is one type of medium and water is another type of medium.
Hey, even your hand looks bent.
Yes, and now you know that it seems bent due to refraction of light.
But why does light refract?
Refraction is bending light to or from the normal. Refraction is bending light to or from the normal.
Good
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Maggie. Good morning, Macy. Oh, what are you doing?
Teacher, we draw figures.
Good. Let me see. Oh, let's do something.
What is it, teacher?
Let us explore using your drawn figure. Kids, come and join us. Make sure you have an adult supervising you. And follow the procedure carefully. We need to take extra care in handling the materials. Here are the materials that you will need to prepare. Marker, jug of water, white sheet of paper, clear empty tall glass.
Let's do the experiment.
So first, draw on a piece of paper 2 identical arrows, pointing on the same direction. One at the near bottom section and the other one near the top. Place the empty glass in front of the arrow. Look through the glass and watch to see what happens. How do the arrows appear? Slowly pour the water in the empty glass until it passes the lower arrow. What happened to the arrow? Move the glass closer or far away from the arrow and see what happens to the image.
Wow, amazing!
I know it, teacher. It shows refraction, just like in our pool adventure.
Yes, it is refraction.
In the experiment, light traveled from the air, through the glass, through the water and through the back of the glass and then back through the air before hitting the arrow. Anytime that light passes from one material into another, it bends or refracts.
How about you, kids? Did you enjoy our refraction activity? Well, superb! Now, kids, let's have a healthy break.
News headline. In one of the places in Jakarta, an extraordinary kid Love refraction. Those who stays on their home can watch and join what she's doing.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Itsy Bitsy. Everyone watching at home, let's do it! In doing, make sure you have with you your guardians to supervise. And please follow procedures properly and carefully. What you need are the following: transparent glass, pencil, water, plastic cup.
Let's do the experiment.
Number 1, place the pencil in the empty glass. Number 2, slowly tilt the glass or cup to third full. Number 3, once you're finished, watch the glass at the eye level.
Let us deepen our understanding in this experiment. What is the appearance of the pencil when you view it from the top? What have you noticed with the appearance of the pencil when you view it from the side? Did the appearance of the pencil changes when you took it out of the glass? What do your observations show about the way the light travels through different media?
The pencil appears to be sharply bent at the surface of the water. Light bends when it passes through one medium to another of a different density. The light is first traveling through the air and then it passes through the water. Since the water is more dense than the air, the light rays bend in the water. This makes the pencil seem to bend as well. The process of light bending is called refraction.
Okay kids, what property of light does it show? Very good, it's refraction.
Yes, I know it. There's a lot of refractions activities. Refraction is the ability of light to bend when it passes a semi-transparent or transparent object. It occurs when light moves from one medium to another medium.
Light can go through transparent objects, but it cannot go through opaque objects. We can see things when they make light. We can see things when light shines on them. There are so many different light sources, like the sun and candles, lasers and lightning.
Hello there! Witness the wordless magic. Are you ready? I have a coin and an empty glass. Look what happened if I pour the water in it. Well, it's a little bit of magic and a little bit of science. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling! Number 1. It is the ability of light to bend. Letter A, reflection. Letter B, refraction. Letter C, dispersion. If your answer is letter B, refraction, you are correct. Number 2. When light enters a denser object from one that is less dense, it blank. Letter A, bends. Letter B, bounces off. Letter C, travels. If you choose letter A, bends, very good. Number 3. Light travels faster in the blank. A, water. B, air. C, glass. If you write letter B, air, great! Number 4. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. The greater the density difference between the two objects, the less that light bends. Letter B. Light bends as it passes from some objects when viewed at an angle. Letter C. Air is more dense than water. If you go for letter C, air is denser than water, good job! Number 5. Which statement is true? A. As the light changes speed, it changes direction. Letter B. When we look at a mirror, we see our own image because the mirror bends the light. Letter C. The light travels faster in water than in the air. If your statement is letter A, if the light changes speed, it changes direction. Awesome! Kids, you all did great job today. Thank you for joining us in our learning adventure. See you again here in Science 4!
Ooh, come on baby, turn the lights off.
Fine and dandy, but then by the time I find it handy to rip my heart apart and start planning my crash landing, I go up, 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 up to
sa iyong harapan, mga katanungan na nasa isipan, hindi nang maliwanagan, isang timpok lang at inyong malalaman. pa